Okay, today we'll be watching a tutorial about how to set up an account on Quizlet.com. Quizlet is a free site which allows you to create and review flashcards for free, and it can be a very helpful study tool to stay organized with your flashcards and to keep up with vocabulary which gets brought up in class. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and type in Quizlet.com and create an account. You can choose to sign up with Google or with Facebook or with your school email address. I'm going to go ahead and use my Google account to log in. All right. Once you have created an account, you'll be directed to the home page, which you can see here, and you can go ahead and create your own series of flashcards. Go to the top of the browser and click Create a Study Set right here. Now make sure when you set a title, as it says right here, to be very specific on which chapter you'll be referring to. This will help you stay organized and be able to find your notes when you're studying for a quiz or a test. We'll go ahead and call this APUS Vocab Review, Chapter 4, Road to the War of 1812. Go ahead and select the language for your terms and definitions. Go ahead and set those to English. And then you can get started with creating your flashcards. So as you can see, you can go ahead and write down the terms for something, let's say something like impressment, right? And you can set the term here and the definition, and then you can write out the definition that you've come up with either from your textbook or from class. So we can write the British or French act forcing American sailors to join their naval forces. A major or one of the major causes of tension leading to the War of 1812. You can also go to the right. So we have this one done. You can go to the right and click on the images tab right here for some of your terms. So say you want to look up a picture of James Madison, right? Um, so you can either search across Quizlet's image database and hit search here. And if there's no, look for James Monroe, John Madison. So here you see Quizlet has their images of James Madison, or you can upload your own image of James Madison as well. And there you go. You can have that. As well. If you take your notes on a personal device, or if you've already written out your vocabulary in a Word document, one thing you can do is go up to this right tab right here. It says import, and you can open up the Word document that you've been using, and you can just copy and paste directly into Quizlet. And you can see down here that you need to make sure that the line breaks are formatted correctly. But something that's nice is that you can go down to the bottom and proofread all of your flashcards to make sure you got it right. Once you have them all typed in, you can just hit import terms right here. And there you go. Now you see they've been added to your the rest of your flashcards. Now we'll go ahead and say we're finished up here, so we can go either to the top or to the bottom here and hit create. Hit the green create button. It'll ask if you want to share with others. We're just going to say no. And then you're all set. Something that I like about this, in order to stay organized, is you can set up different folders for your classes. So as you see here, I have a whole folder for APUS vocab review, and you can just hit add. And then you will be able to go back through your account to find all your different units of vocab, and you'll be able to keep it all organized. Now, you can go ahead and set, now it's time for us to go ahead and review, right? So if you get flashcard button, you see you have it set up on your screen, and you can quiz yourself on your screen. You can set it between the term first or the definition first, and you can click anywhere on here, and it will show you either side. You can scroll through and just quiz yourself. And just like that, you have a nice online tool to help you stay organized and help you study for your next APUS quiz or test. Thanks for watching.